What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. How much are you paying for an autoresponder right now? I'm willing to bet if you're like me, you're probably spending a whole heck of a lot of money for your autoresponder because virtually every autoresponder on the planet does cost something. Now, I know you've probably seen these offers where you pay a one-time fee for an autoresponder and it's free for life. Yeah, I'm calling BS on those because they usually buy some fly-by-night place that's going to sell you something, and then 6 months later it doesn't work, and you've lost your list and it's all gone. What if I told you that one of the biggest social networks on the planet is now offering a completely free autoresponder? You can set it up with your own name and you can set up lists. You can import your existing list. You can also add people on as needed. It gets the same features as a traditional autoresponder, but it's 100% for free. It's from one of the biggest social networks ever. And I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review, a free mail list. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the very few people who can bundle successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Matzah. You know, that flatbread that Jews are supposed to eat on Passover in a few weeks. It gets really, really stale really fast. It's boring stuff. But unlike those, hopefully my jokes are a little bit more interesting. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Every time you gotta do that? Do you know how irritating that guy is? All the time, every single day, yakety, yakety, yakety. You'd think he could get a new line. Seriously. Bart, get a new line, okay? Really, it's enough. These fine people don't have to listen to you every week. Every single day, practically. You know, because I make videos, and you keep interrupting me every single time. See, my cat is here. She's annoyed with it as well. Yeah, but seriously. So if these work here, if I like a product, I will give it to my product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, my cat approves of Liz. She likes Liz because Liz is a fellow New Yorker, right? Right, Nano? Yes. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. My cat will give you nice face rubs just like she's giving to me because she loves when you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page. My cat is very excited about this thing. She loves the idea of a free autoresponder. Okay, this is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. He found that one of the biggest social networks there is, and I'm not going to tell you which one it is. Okay, I'm going to show you the members in just a minute. He found one of the biggest social networks there is giving away a completely free autoresponder. You don't need a website. You don't need to pay for an autoresponder. Nothing. You get it completely, totally, absolutely for free, 100% for free. Okay, now, if you pick it up from me, I am giving you 3 of my brand new videos. I've never given these away before. They come with PLR rights, and you get to use my name. Okay, you can actually go ahead and use my name and leverage off of my authority as a well-known content creator in the Make Money Online niche. And you'll be able to actually use my name in order to be able to make money from my videos. Okay, the videos you're going to be getting, one of them is one of my favorite videos of all time. It's called Offer versus Product. It is really what is going to make the difference for you as a content creator, as somebody who is selling something. is going to make the difference in whether or not you're going to be able to make real money online, or if it's going to be somebody else who is, oh yeah, I also have, I'm also one of about 500 affiliates for this product. Okay. If you want to be somebody who's really going to be able to to sell something really, really effectively, you're going to want to use that video, and you get full PLR rights to it, meaning you can sell it or give it away as a bonus. Okay, that's very, very powerful. Okay, I've never given this away before. I'm also giving away my video on how to make great headlines. That's another really powerful video that you're going to get from me completely for free. Okay, and there's a third mystery video. You'll see down below in the description what it is. I'm not going to tell you right now, but it's a really, really cool video as well. These are 3 videos that I've never, ever given away, ever. Nobody has them yet. So if you haven't picked up free email list, by the way, it's $9, just so you know, it's $9 lousy to get the free mail list. Okay. And you're going to get all 3 of these videos completely, totally for free for $9. And you're going to find out about Jeremy's free email list. Now, let me show you the members area here real quick. Okay. I'm not going to obviously play the videos. I'm not going to, and you'll see this over here. This is, faded out because, well, don't want to give away Jeremy's content for free. Okay, basically there's 3 modules. It's relatively short. He's going to show you how to sign up for the free autoresponder. He's going to show you how it works. He's going to walk you step by step through the whole thing in order to get yourself going with it. Okay, so that's going to be that thing. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, I just decided on this as I'm recording this video, if you pick up any upgrade, then I'm going to give you an extra bonus. Okay, I'm going to give you a shout out to my 7,000 Instagram followers. Plus, I'm going to give you 3 courses on list building. Okay, these are 3 courses on how to build an email list completely, totally for free. You want to spend a dime in order to use these methods. You're going to be able to build an email list completely for free. Okay, plus I'm going to give you even more stuff that you can use PLR on. I'm going to give you 5 more courses you can get PLR on. So that's all going to be included if you pick up any upgrade. This is not, by the way, if you pick up the upgrade from the front page. I know that there is a bonus upgrade for $9, the 297 case study, I think it is, something like that. That is not included because Jeremy doesn't give me any commissions for it. If I don't get commissions for it, I'm not going to give you a free bonus just for paying him money. I'm sorry, I like to be a nice guy, but if I'm not getting paid for it, then, I'm not going to give that. But if you pick up any other upgrade, okay, and if you pick up the $1 upgrade, by the way, you have to stay until you actually get the rebill before I will give you that bonus, because I'm not giving you an upgrade where I make 47 cents either. But I will give you all those things if you pick up any other upgrade, or if you pick up the $1 upgrade and you stay at least until the rebill. Okay, pick up any of those things. You're going to get this bonus from me. I'm going to redo the bonus stock right now so that you'll have it available. If you've already gotten this package, because I know I was advertising this to my list yesterday, I hadn't made the video yet. I apologize about that. I started to make the video yesterday and then had to stop and then started again today. So if you already picked it up, you'll still be able to get it. If you didn't pick it up yet, now's the time to grab it, because I'm only going to keep this thing open until tomorrow on Monday, March 8th at 11:59 p.m. I'm closing it down. You're not going to be able to get the bonuses anymore. So make sure you grab this before that happens. And let's go ahead and see if I am going to give it to my product or not, although I kind of tip my hat about it a little bit.
You the man!
But yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? I mean, seriously, look, this is awesome. Okay, if you don't have an email list yet, if you don't have an autoresponder yet, or if you've been paying a fortune for an autoresponder, this is your chance to get it completely for free. And it's not like one of these fly-by-night places that's here today, gone tomorrow. This is from one of the biggest names in the industry. I guarantee you've heard of this place. They are going to give you an autoresponder completely for free. It's really, really awesome. Grab this one. You're going to love this.